Hello, this is Kelly with 4 Leaf Properties. I'm taking you on a quick video tour of our brand new floor plan that just come in. It's the Sherwood model. As you can see, it has a built-in porch. We have plenty of customers waiting to see this home. So I'm going to do a quick video tour because they sell fast and we want to be able to show everyone. So all of our homes have the storm door, heavy duty steel door, and I'm going to walk in the living room. All of them have a Hunter ceiling fan. All the windows are double pane thermal windows. They come with the curtains. They come with the blinds. You can see the porch from here. All of our homes have a ton of upgrades. They're super energy efficient. They have a brand new furnace. They have central air conditioning. You get a free shed with the home. And they have, as I said, all kinds of upgrades. I'm going to first take you into this kitchen. This home, as you can see, is all drywall. And the kitchen all the cabinets actually are white and they're wood. All of our homes come with this appliance package, upgraded lighting. The appliance package is including the microwave and a dishwasher. And this home normally would have black appliances in it, but this one is sold and the customer wanted white. Check out the island. Most all of our floor plans have this really cool island in the kitchen. You can put bar stools up to, homework, family gatherings, dinner, Christmas cookie baking, any type of baking. I want you to be able to see how big the dining room area is too. And another bonus, windows in the kitchen and dining. So I'm going to turn around here, try not to go too fast. This is looking back out at the living room. There is a pantry here. I want you to see inside. Good size. This is bedroom 2. This home is a 3-bedroom, 2-bath. Hopefully you can see the size. Both bedrooms are good size. They both have nice size closets. Back to that beautiful kitchen. This is a guest bath, hall bath. This bathroom has a tub, and this is one piece, which is very popular in all of our floor plans. It's a shower and tub, and there's no seam, so there's easy to clean and no maintenance. And you can see the updated lighting. We'll take you into the 3rd bedroom. I want to be able to make sure you guys can see how big these rooms are, as well as the closets. Okay. So now I'm going to take you real quick into the laundry room, back to the living room, and into the master bedroom. So this is a side door, also has a storm door, heavy duty steel, saves on electricity. This holds a full-size washer dryer. And one of the things that I want to point out, in all of our homes we have this. This is an entire home water shutoff. All the faucets, all the toilets have them, but this turns off the entire home. As mentioned, brand new furnace. I'm going to pan around here. This is back to the living room. I'm going to take you into the master suite. Look at the windows. Tons of natural lighting. Hopefully, if I stand back here, you can see how big this master bedroom is. And then on to the bathroom. Double sinks, of course. Upgraded lighting. Even a window in the bathroom. This is the walk-in closet. Most all of our homes come with a walk-in closet. This one is awesome as well. And this bathroom also has a linen closet. And then I'm going to turn around so you can see the stand-up shower. This is a popular feature, and it has 2 sitting benches. You can see this master is awesome. So you can go find all of our communities on 4leafprop.com. Has all our communities, has phone numbers, has pictures, talks about specials if we're having any, phone numbers to the specific communities, and you can also use in our in-house financing. Doesn't cost you anything to apply, and you can get approved quickly and move in or close within 4 days. One more glance through this home. We hope to hear from you. We also have videos, live video tours of all of our floor plans on our YouTube channel. So if you go to 4leafprop.com, there's a YouTube button there. Click it and you can see all of our homes. Thanks. Hope to see you. Bye-bye.